When I first started acrylic painting, I bought a few basic supplies, and the one I at first regretted buying was matte medium because I didn't understand how to use it, but this is what I've learned over the years. Matte medium is an acrylic painting fluid that looks white but dries clear and gives a matte finish when mixed with acrylic paints. Do you ever make a pencil sketch for your acrylic painting or feel like combining a charcoal drawing with your painting? And then the graphite or charcoal smudges your paints. I found that painting a clear matte medium coat over the sketch lines helps seal them in and keep the actual paint colors cleaner. Do you have problems getting crisp lines and edges in your paintings? You can mask different shapes by drawing them and cutting them out from contact paper, adhering it on your canvas, and then sealing the edges with matte medium to prevent any paint getting under the contact paper. Paint over it once the matte medium is dry and peel off the contact paper, and you'll be left with clean edges. Have you ever wanted to make acrylic paint drip down the canvas like watercolor? If you dilute acrylics with too much water, there is a theoretical risk that your painting might eventually crack and peel off. And I say theoretical risk because it hasn't actually happened to me. But by mixing the acrylics with a transparent painting medium like matte medium and then water, you get the same effect of watered down translucent acrylics you could let drip down the canvas, but without the extreme paint to water ratio and risk of the paint flaking. How about making a collage, adhering things to your paintings? One time I wanted to glue leftover diamond beads on my painting and noticed all my glues had either dried up or gone rancid. But guess what had outlived them all? Matte medium. And it also works as a glue. You paint it on or dip the object in it and place it on. Any excess around the object will dry clear. If you varnish your paintings but want to leave an option for restoration somewhere down the line, you should add an isolation coat before adding the varnish. Then the varnish can be removed without damage to the actual painting. And what can you paint on for an isolation coat? Among other possible mediums, matte medium. But make sure that your varnish is removable because some of them are not. Don't use your favorite brush for matte medium and remember to wash it well afterwards because it will glue the hairs on your brush together and make it rock solid. But how and why would you varnish your finished painting? Watch this video next. See you there!